Hi, I'm Kai. I'm an application engineer in Bossard, Australia. In our day-to-day operation, one of my key roles is to solve challenging technical issues in the fastening assembly space. Recently, we have a customer in the manufacturing business facing fastening issues with the assembly of self-tapping screw into aluminium profile frame. They would like to explore the proper or the most optimum solution to adapt into their ongoing production. After discussing with the customer and comparing on the solution of self-tapping screw as well as trap-forming screw, the customer is very impressed with the benefits of trap-forming screw, such as non-chip forming during assembly process, as well as the forming of metric female thread, which allows for replacement using metric screw should the need arises. Bossard provided several samples in several sizes to the customer. The test assembly was conducted at the client site, and the pilot hole detail was also shared to facilitate the proper assembly. The customer is very satisfied with the samples and the assembly, and it is looking very positive to adapt and lock in the trap forming design into their ongoing production.